Hey guys, how are you all doing? I'm Morella and this week we're making a super herby orzo pasta salad for summer. I'm making this recipe to take out on a picnic with friends and thought it was a great little recipe to share with you all. So let's go ahead. So first thing is to cook the orzo pasta in boiling water with salt, and I like to cook my pasta 1 minute less than what's indicated in the package so it's properly al dente. Once the pasta is done, we drain it, and one important step when cooking pasta for salad is to always wash it in running cold water to stop the cooking and to avoid becoming mushy and sticky. Then we put the pasta on a big bowl so we can mix it well. In this case, this is a container where I'm taking the salad to the picnic, so I'm gonna leave it there after it's done. This salad is packed of veggies, so I'm starting by chopping a couple of tomatoes, which I'm removing the seeds to avoid the salad becoming watery, and dicing them in small pieces. And this is how I'm going to chop all the ingredients because I want everything to be the same size. As well as with the tomatoes, I'm removing the cucumber seeds where it contains its water and dicing them in small pieces. As you know by now, I love herbs, and this salad comes with a ton of it to give it a super fresh and delicious flavor. So we have basil, chives, dill, parsley, and coriander, all chopped finely so every mouthful comes with a lot of herbs. And for a bit of tang, I'm using green olives cut in half. You can use any green olive, or if you prefer a less tangy salad, go for black olives. And if all the veggies we've added wasn't enough, I'm adding green peas and sweet corn for a truly summer and fresh flavor. Once all the veggies are in, let's season with extra virgin olive oil, salt, and black pepper to taste. To bring all the flavors to life, I'm adding the juice of 1.5 lemons. Mix well and taste to check the season is spot on to your taste. Salad done, cover and leave in the fridge for an hour before serving to let all the flavors mingle. I'm taking this salad to a picnic as it is, but if I was serving it for lunch, I would serve it in a dark bowl to show off all the colorful ingredients and add a little parsley leaf for decoration and a lemon wedge. And this is my Herb Orzo Pasta Salad for summer. Fresh, tangy, super healthy, and done in less than 30 minutes. This salad will last easily a week in the fridge. It's good for the pocket and incredibly delicious. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions about the recipe, leave your comment below. Don't forget you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest as Mi Terruño Food. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Buen provecho!